I'm doing under duress.
Yeah, you're mean.
No, I am doing this video simply because my mother really wants to do this video. She all but held a gun to my head. I'm just kidding. This is my mom. If you guys don't know her, then I'm sorry. This is her. Say hi.
Hello.
This is Beverly Petrak. Yes, Petrak, it's Croatian. She went to a restaurant recently and had this very non-vegan dish of Brussels sprouts, and it was a really good dish, and my mom was like, I would love to
veganize that to take to family for Easter.
Oh, it's for Easter, okay. My mom also thinks about holidays like 2 months in advance because food is that important to her. Why don't you introduce and tell us what we've got going today?
We have 4 different kinds of vegan bacon bits. And we're gonna have the guys.
4?
5, sorry.
6. Oh, no, okay, 5, yes.
Neither of us can count.
Let's start over. We have 5 vegan bacon products, and we're going to try them, and we have all the other food prepped and ready to go to make this Brussels sprout dish. I don't know why, but we're leaving it up to the boys to taste test. I'm not interested. I haven't tasted bacon in 12 years. It will be up to my husband Eric and my father Gary Petrak. Yes, Petrak, it's Croatian. Do you want to tell us about the products, Mom?
No, we're not going to. We don't want them to know anything about it. It's a blind taste test.
It's totally blind.
The texture is like chips.
Yeah, it tastes
Okay.
like
Pringles or something.
that's closer to
That one's
bacon.
better. The texture's still off, but
Yeah.
the taste is much better.
Okay, number 4.
Yeah, 4. We did 3.
Yep.
I was ready
He's
to do.
the engineer.
They're both engineers.
We have access to
My
calculators.
dad's an engineer too. I married my dad.
I'm not an engineer, I'm a business owner.
4. Coming in hot.
Coming in cold.
So
This
that,
doesn't have anything but crunch. It's soft.
Ew.
this
So you
one.
like
On
number
your back.
2 best. Okay. Okay, it's this. Is it made
Made
out
Made
of?
out of
It's all.
pinto beans.
Yeah.
Really? Thank you, gentlemen. Now we're gonna finish the Brussels sprouts and see how it comes out. We'll bring you some.
Raise your hand if you think my mom should start a YouTube channel.
Brussels sprouts, so this will be.
First learned how to watch it.
I do watch it.
Burn. Okay, Mom, so what did you do? You have Brussels sprouts. I'm sure you oiled them.
No, I did not.
What?
Do you want me to?
Obviously not.
I roasted these in a very hot oven close to the top. I sprinkled the bacon on and salt and pepper. So then we're gonna put on the balsamic vinegar and sprinkle a little of my vegan feta on top.
I know this doesn't look pretty, but a couple days ago my mom made a nut cheese. All right, so now we're putting on a balsamic glaze. It's just reduced balsamic vinegar, so it's really sweet. And then you hold it to, no, you hold it to the camera and you focus it,
Okay.
and then you take a bite. Mmm.
Well, I like.
That glaze.
Yeah, should we put more of that on?
The glaze is the best part.
I know.
That's really good. Good job, Mom.